How can you draw reflections in geometry without a grid? Imagine you're looking in a mirror and seeing your reflection. Now, think about how you can do the same on paper without any grids or special lines. Drawing reflections in geometry is all about creating a mirror image of a shape across a line. The key is to find that line of reflection, which acts like a mirror. It can be any straight line you choose on your paper. Every point on the original shape and its reflection are the same distance from this line but on opposite sides. Start by drawing your line of reflection clearly. This line is your mirror. Next, look at each corner point of the shape you want reflected. Measure the shortest distance from each point straight to the line. You can do this by drawing a straight line at a right angle from the point to the line. This is called the perpendicular distance. Now, on the opposite side of the line, mark a new point that is exactly the same distance away from the line as the original point. This new point is the reflected version of the original corner. Repeat this process for all the points of your shape. Once you have all the reflected points marked, connect them in the same order as the original shape. This will give you the mirror image across the line. If measuring distances with a ruler feels tricky, you can use tracing paper. Trace the original shape and the line of reflection onto the paper. Flip the tracing paper over the line, aligning the line on the paper with the line on your drawing. Mark the new positions of each point after flipping. Remove the tracing paper and connect the new points to complete the reflected shape. Remember, the line of reflection stays fixed, and points on this line do not move. These are called invariant points. The shape you create will be the same size and shape as the original but flipped over the line. This method works for all shapes like triangles, rectangles, circles, and polygons. Understanding this process helps you see how reflection works in geometry without needing a grid or coordinate system. It's all about symmetry and the fundamental property that points and their images are symmetric about the mirror line.